So this is the GoPro HERO, the new one. So let's check how much is this. So HERO GoPro 11, this is the new one. It has 27 megapixel, then 5.3 key, 60 frame per second plus 4 key, 120 frame per second. Stability is HyperSmooth 5.0, waterproof 10 meter, and this is the battery. So this is the new one, GoPro 11. So this GoPro 11 price in Japan is 89,760 yen. The HERO 11. This is the new one. 27 megapixel camera. It's nice, huh? So this is very good for vlogging. Let's see. Yes. GoPro 11. So this is the box of the GoPro. This is what will you get if you buy this GoPro 11. Yeah. The specs again. These are the accessories. Cable, casing, some holders, and battery. So the HERO 11 GoPro, the new one. Thank you for watching this vlog, guys. Please support the Wonder of Japan. Thank you so much.